Hey guys, welcome to Yusan. Now we reach the part 8 of this very video series, and in this video we will discuss index depository system, process of becoming a capital market investor. And in the last video, in the part 7, we discussed about that the do's and don't of our secondary market, right? Don't blindly follow and don't be influenced by others. We discussed there, and we also discussed some sort of tips and awareness tips that ensure that you got receipts, payment receipts, okay, and broker client ID, and lots of things we discussed in that do's and don'ts. Now come to that index and depository system, and then process up to becoming capital market investors. Now first let's talk about the index. What is index? A stock market index capture the behavior of the overall equity market. The UPS and the ups and downs of an index reflect the changing exception of the stock market about the future profitability of India's corporate sector. Right? Index is the value which represent the overall market equity. Okay, the ups and downs of the index reflect the changing expectation of the stock market about the future profitability of India's corporate sector. This is achieved by giving each stock and weight proportional to its market capitalization. The most important market index is the board market index, consisting of the large liquid stock of the country. In India, we have Nifty 50 and Sensex as the major index. We know that Nifty is with a 50 company and Sensex is a Bombay Stock Exchange. So whatever it is, we will not go on that. But yes, this is about index which represent these things and the behavior of the market. Come to that depository system. Now what is depository system? How it work? Earlier there used to be physical shares, not a digital shares. Right now it is digital dematerialized share we have. Now in the past we have the paperwork. That time we don't have computer, and that 2000 before 2000, okay, 1960 70 80, right? Earlier there used to be physical shares certificates issued, which are now converted to electronics form. A deposit holds security like share, debentures, bonds, mutual funds, units, etc., etc. of investors in electronics form. It's called dematerialized form, is DMAT, through a registered depository participants, DP, registered depository participants. It also provides service related to transaction in securities. A DP is an agent of the depository through which it interface with the investors and provide depository service. It is now compulsory for even investors to open a beneficial owner account to apply in IPOs and FPOs to trade in the stock exchange. Fine. Now let's discuss the benefits of availing depository service. Include a safe and convenient way to hold security, immediate transfer of securities, no stamp duty on transfer of securities, elimination of risk associated with the physical certificates such as bad delivery, fake securities, and delay and thieves, etc., etc. Now reduction in paperwork, obviously involved in transference of securities. Now the next is reduction of the transaction cost. Obviously it reduce the cost of the transaction. So that is why depository system is very important. No odd lot problem. No odd lot problem. Even one share can be traded. Right. Nomination faculties. Change in address records with DP gets registered with the all companies in which investor hold security electronics, eliminating the needs to correspond with each of them separately. Transmission of security is done by DP, right? Depository participant. Now eliminating corresponding with companies. Automatic credit into DMAT account of shares arising out of bonds, split, merger, etc. Holding, investing in equity and debt instrument in a single account. So that is the benefits of available depository service. Now we will discuss about process for being a capital market investor. Now for investing in IPOs or FPOs, the first requirement is PAN card. Okay, not a peroxyl acetyl nitrate but personal account number. Okay, so the second recruitment is bank account. Third recruitment is demat account. How to open a demat account? You have bank account, you have to apply for a demat account. Lots of website there, lots of broker agencies is there, so you can go and open there, right? So we will discuss on that. Share our credit and debit in a electronics mode, which can be opened with the registered depository participants. For more, where we should go, visit a website. The name cdslindia.com, okay, or nsdl.co.in. For the investments in IPO and FPO, you should have these kind of things: PAN card, bank account, and demat account, and enough. Now, additional for investments in the secondary market. Select a broker, complete the KYC form, and enter into a broker client agreement to open a trading account, right? Trading account where you can trade, okay. A demat account where you store your stocks, bonds, right? So this is all about that process for investing in any field in the stock markets, equity, IPO, FPO. So that need to be followed, right? Now, in the next video, we will discuss about the right as a shareholder and what you should know. What is your right? You should know that first. What is your power? You should know first. Then, in the very next video, we will discuss about the mutual fund, right? In the detail. So, keep with us, and I hope you like this video. Now, in this video, if you have any query, comment regarding this video, you can comment on the comment section. And to know more, you can go on that very websites to check all the details regarding investment stock markets. So I hope guys you like this video, and keep watching, and thank you.